Baby, Gabby is getting a gift from a crow. Gabby Man, an 8 years old boy from Seattle, Washington, has been receiving gifts from crows in exchange for food. He has been feeding crows for 4 years. Gifts in exchange include beads, smooth stones, Lego metal objects, paper clips, buttons, and pieces of foam. It is known that Gabby had a habit of throwing away food. One day, after getting out of the car and throwing a chicken nugget, it was seen that many crows came and started fighting with it. From then on, he got out of the car on his way back and forth and started feeding the crows. When Kakira realized that Gabby got out of the car every day and went to get food, they started waiting. Then every morning, Gabby and her mother leave nuts and dog food for the crows in their backyard and change the water in the cistern. From here, things get trickier for crows. Gabby's mother Lisa lost her lens cap once while taking pictures at the head of the alley. Later, a crow came and went through the cap. He was not sure at first the Kekai had brought the cap, but in the video of the camera installed to watch the birds in the house, the three see a crow coming with a cap and dipping it repeatedly in the water of the pond. Of course, not all gifts are perfect. Once a crow came with a roaring crab. John Marzloff Gabier, a professor of wildlife at the University of Washington, advised people to be inspired by the incident and said, if you want to make a connection with crows, serve them regularly. He said it is possible to have a good relationship with crows, but there is no guarantee that they will come with a gift. The intelligence of the crows among the birds is astounding. Their intelligence is thought to be equivalent to that of 7 years old human child. Spiders hunted bigger fish than themselves. The spider is picking up a goldfish from the park pond. The spider is smaller in size than the goldfish. The shocking image went viral as soon as it was posted on social media. Jeremy Skulwich, a native of South Africa, sits by the water in a park while out for a walk with his girlfriend. Just then, Jeremy's lover's eyes go to the pond. He saw a spider smaller than the fish picking up a small goldfish from the water. The spider is trying to pick up the fish from the water. The couple immediately took the picture. The diver dances like a lover with a shark. Everyone's mind is filled with fear when they hear the name shark. But a diver dances with the shark like a lover. Seeing that, many people's eyes are watering. Is that even possible? Yes, possible. So such a video has gone viral through social media. As a result, many people were surprised to see the video. The video of the shark dancing with the diver is 30 seconds long. It is seen that a diver has gone under the water. Lots of fish are floating there. The diver is dancing around a shark. As seen in the video, the diver has one hand on the back of the shark and the other hand on a wing. Then the dance continues. But finally the mystery of that video was leaked. Not on the shift, the diver danced with a shark inside the aquarium of planet Neptune Oceanarium in St. Petersburg, Russia. Many people go to the forest to see the wonder.